Apple's iPhone 17 Pro models, set to be released in 2025, are expected to have substantial upgrades in design, performance, and camera technology. Recent rumors imply a significant design departure, with Apple purportedly abandoning the titanium frames used in previous generations in favor of aluminum, a material last seen in the Pro lineup several years ago. According to a claim from the source, the iPhone 17 Pro and Pro Max would have aluminum frames instead of the titanium found in the iPhone 15 Pro and iPhone 16 Pro models. Furthermore, the camera module is believed to be significantly redesigned. Unlike the square glass back module seen in current Pro models, the iPhone 17 Pro series is said to contain a rectangular module made of aluminum. This move could show Apple's commitment to innovation and utilitarian aesthetics. Speculations also point to a hybrid rear panel design for the upcoming Pro models, with the upper piece made of aluminum and the lower half finished in glass. This combination of materials may increase longevity, while also adding a distinct visual appeal. The camera module is also predicted to increase in size, implying significant advances in photographic capabilities. The iPhone 17 Pro range is slated to premiere the A19 Pro chip, which will use TSMC's advanced Generation 3nm manufacturing process. This cutting-edge microprocessor is expected to provide considerable gains in processing speed and energy efficiency. Furthermore, for the first time in Apple's flagship line, the Pro Max model is expected to have 12 GB of RAM. This upgrade might provide a significant increase for multitasking and demanding apps. The camera system is another point of emphasis, with improved sensors rumored to improve both photography and filmmaking. So with that being said, let me know your thoughts in the comment below. If you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.